I Left It At Your Place. En sang skrevet på flyveren til USA. Eller teksten er skrevet der. Melodien er skrevet i Central Park. Lige nu. Okay. I packed a bag, I booked a flight, got ready to leave all behind. Didn't look back, let in no fright, and did not leave time to rewind. Said my goodbye, said yeah, I'll be fine. Believed every word that I said. Behind these brave eyes, this courage of mine. I long for a girl I just met. I think I can hear it rumbling, the roar when the plane will start. But it feels like I'm leaving something. I think I've forgotten my heart. Wait, I think I've forgotten my heart. Wait, I left it at your place. Wait, I left it at your place.